67 Irish Farmer here, bringing you an update on my maple syrup operation. I currently got 7 pints and 2 quarts of maple syrup from the 80 gallons. And I also got these 2 little 1.5 ounce bottles, so that's 3 ounces right there. This is what we're keeping for ourselves, and you can see that it's pretty darn clear. That is 100% maple syrup right there. I did have some loss. I lost probably about a gallon of syrup just because it was so dirty. I got to do a better figure out a better way of filtering it, because I'm not going to sell maple syrup that's not crystal clear. Like, I could have kept it for myself, but I was out of bottles to keep for myself, and I'm not going to waste these bottles that I can use to sell. If we had like mason jars or something, I would have put it in that, but I was just frustrated. I just dumped it down the sink. But this should be pretty good, and we're still pretty early in the season. I still got a couple weeks left. I could get another 80 gallons of sap, boil it down, and get something again like this. But this is 100% pure New York State maple syrup. This is fresh. I just made this morning, last night. But if you'd like to purchase some of these, I'll leave a link in the description below for a link to my eBay, and you can pick one of these up on my eBay account. The 2 quart jugs are sold right out as it is already. I had a friend of mine that wanted to buy a gallon, but they wanted a quart jugs, and she is okay with getting 2 quarts for now and then 2 quarts later in the season. Just definitely check that out to help me sell these things and go bigger next year. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more maple syrup videos. The season's not over yet.